So today I want to show you how Moblin works. Moblin is a streaming application for iPhones, also works for iPads, and it also works for Mac OS if the Mac has an Apple Silicon chip. And as part of that, we'll start with a completely fresh setup. One thing that Moblin does, it can do bonding. We go over that. You will need to, if you want bonding, you will need a SRTLA relay, which can be either Belabox Cloud, or you can set up your own relay. But we'll go through the different settings here and take it from there. So the first thing to do is I don't want to stream directly to Twitch. I want to stream to my own OBS. So we'll set that up first. The way Moblin handles your different ingests is you go up here and you have streams. And you can create it manually there, but you can also automatically import them. So if I go to this and we go to cloud.belabox, add automatically to Moblin. So if I click this, URL import successful, and you can now see in streams I have my Belabox Cloud EU stream. So that's set up. Close. Why has this phone flicked? That was a bit weird. So that's my stream setup, but we can go through the stream here, go into the settings, and you have your URL here. Go back to stream. Next thing I want to do is I want to go to down here. Turn all of these off. I'm not sure why they were automatically included. So, and I want to add my channel name and my channel ID. So the channel name, that's easy. And the channel ID, we need to do something else for that. On the StreamWeasel's website, there is a tool to convert your Twitch username to your Twitch ID. So convert, okay. And I take the phone then, and I'll add the ID that I got from that. Okay, close. You can see the little chat icon has gone white now, so it has connected to my chat. And as you can see, my test message that I just typed into chat is now showing on the screen. Now, you can only read chat in Moblin. You still need a chat app like real-time chat or StreamBody to interact with chat, but at least you can have your chat on the screen while you're using Moblin streaming. Because I used Moblin for this, the great thing with that is that I can have on an iPhone of the older generation, like this is an iPhone 14 Pro Max, that's the last one with the lightning connector, I can have up to 4 modems on this. So I can have the data, I can have the Wi-Fi, and I can have up to 2 external modems, and I do that by using this little adapter. Will do 2 modems. You can use USB to Ethernet dongles or you can use 2 modems, but the modems have to be different. They can't be the same modems. For example, I tried with 2 Nighthawks. That did not work over USB. But if I put 2 Ethernet dongles and then use 2 Nighthawks, that works well. So let me demonstrate. So I have Wi-Fi, and I have my SIM that's in the phone. And we go live. I'm now live. And you can see up here in the top right that I'm using 44% cellular and 57% Wi-Fi. So it basically balances over the 2 connections. That would be the 2 extra if I had the modems plugged in via cable. And that way, if one of them goes bad, I still have the other one. There's a lot more features here. So let's go and have a look at external mics. So if I want to use a microphone, all the microphones of the iPhone are listed here. But let's say I take something like the Instamic. So take this little Instamic here. And go and we'll pair this connected. Okay, great. And we go back into Moblin. So you can see at the moment I have no audio in reality. Let me just fix this. Okay, that's because the Instamic is green. It's in muted position. I click this now it's red. So yeah, and now I have audio levels. So at the top here, at the top of the image, you can see that you have your audio level, and with this little microphone, once it's working, if I tap here, tap again, it goes to green. You can see it's green, and now you can see my audio is gone, so I've muted it. Tap again, goes to red, my audio levels are back. So there's things like that you can do with Moblin. You can also, let's get the chat message back on here. So we have the chat, and we can also hide chat if we want. Put it back on. This one doesn't do anything. It's all that you can go and you can actually draw in your stream. Clear that. You can, I can't remember what that does. There's black screen, so you can do OBS control. I haven't set that up. See here, what do we have? Mode control assistant. There's a ton. Oh, that one is still there. There's a ton of features in this. Oh, go back to front camera. Whee! Ton of features here. That's the stream. You can choose where you want to stream to. You can put a grid in. You can get different modes. This is like a filmic thing. Blur, beauty, enabled, not enabled, blur, mouth, crop. So it's a couple of things here that you can do. It's really, really handy. You can get a browser. So here you can select your bitrate, and you can add more bitrates to this. These are just the defaults. So if you go, let's say, oh yeah, here's like a green one. So if you, for example, go in here, because I'm streaming at the moment, so let's stop the stream and okay. So you go up here, I've already shown how you enter the chat. Here you can change how the chat looks, if it's mirrored, if you have TTS, how long you want to keep the messages on the screen, animated emotes, bold message, bold username, basically customize it there. So that's that. And you have the display. You can get recording confirmations, low bitrate warning. You can get the audio either as bar or as decibel. You can add local overlays, stream overlay, camera, mic. So here, go. Network interface names. If you have Ethernet interfaces, you can name them. So you can give them different names. So you know what is what. If you have an issue with that, let's go here. Let's go. So then, camera. You can go define the zoom. Tap screen to focus, mirror front camera on stream. So the camera is mirrored for me, as you can see, but the resulting feed is correct. It's just less confusing for me. Bitrate presets. So if you want to create, let's say, 6 megabit profile, right? Say 6 done. So then we go and we move this one, obviously, move this one up here. Oh, now I have a preset for 6 megabit. The other interesting thing with Moblin is that you can actually RTMP stream into the app, and you can use the RTMP stream as another camera that you can stream to. Where this is useful is if you, for example, want to stream, if you want to record a drone with the DJI Fly app, you can RTMP stream into this phone, basically create a personal hotspot and then stream into here, or any other way, like if you connect them on the same network. So you can enable that. Audio is not implemented yet, but you can use the audio while you're streaming RTMP from the iPhone or a Bluetooth mic. Oh, hang on. Disable. Create. I'll call that RTMP. Okay, done. Stream key. Done. Okay. We go out. Enable it. And now if I click into RTMP, you can see the URLs that you need down here. And go out, close. Okay, you can see that RTMP has now connected. I'm using the DJI Osmo Action 4 and I'm streaming into the phone. Close this. And yeah, and then what I have to do is scenes, and I have to create one, and we call this done. And what we want there is the RTMP feed. Close. So, and front camera, yeah. So now on this, I can go to RTMP, and there's my DJI camera. Back to front. I have no audio from that, but the audio is still coming from my Instamic. Okay, quick introduction into Moblin. I will be making a more thorough tutorial, but I just wanted basically to show what can be done with Moblin as it is already. Hope that was useful, and see you another time.